Today we will explain about the SAP Ariba Upstream vs Downstream interview explanation with examples. SAP Ariba Upstream vs Downstream. In this video, we will clearly understand the difference between SAP Ariba Upstream and Downstream processes, explained simply for interviews and real projects. What is SAP Ariba? In short, SAP Ariba equals Cloud Procurement Solution. It defines that SAP Ariba is a cloud-based procurement solution that helps organizations manage suppliers, sourcing, purchasing, and payments efficiently. What is SAP Ariba Upstream? Supplier onboarding, then creation of RFQ and contract flow. SAP Ariba Upstream mainly relates to planning and strategy. It defines that SAP Ariba Upstream focuses on activities before a purchase order is created. It includes supplier lifecycle management, sourcing, contracts, spend analysis, and supplier risk. Heavy checkmark supplier onboarding. Heavy checkmark RFQ, RFP auctions. Heavy checkmark contract creation. Heavy checkmark compliance and risk checks. SAP Ariba Downstream. It starts with PR, then PO creation and invoice and payment process. SAP Ariba Downstream is equal to execution and operations. Definition of SAP Ariba Downstream. SAP Ariba Downstream starts after suppliers and contracts are ready. It handles operational procurement like buying, invoicing, goods receipt, and payments. It has the following process. Heavy checkmark purchase requisition. Heavy checkmark purchase order. Heavy checkmark goods receipt. Heavy checkmark invoice processing. The main difference between upstream vs downstream comparison. In simple terms, upstream defines what to buy and from whom, while downstream executes how to buy and how to pay. Upstream prepares suppliers and contracts, and downstream completes the purchase-to-pay cycle.
In simple words, that SAP Ariba Upstream means. SAP Ariba Upstream manages suppliers, sourcing, and contracts before PO creation, while Downstream manages buying, invoicing, and payment after PO creation. Please subscribe to my channel for SAP MM and SAP Ariba learning. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more SAP MM and SAP Ariba interview concepts. The main difference of SAP Upstream vs Downstream. Upstream focuses on strategic procurement activities such as sourcing, contract management, and supplier lifecycle management. Example, a company uses SAP Ariba sourcing to run an RFP, request for proposal, and negotiate with multiple suppliers to secure the best contract terms. Downstream deals with operational procurement processes like requisitions, purchase orders, invoicing, and payments. Example, once the contract is signed, an employee raises a purchase requisition in Ariba. Buying, which automatically generates a purchase order sent to the supplier, followed by invoice submission and payment processing in Ariba invoicing. Upstream ensures the right suppliers and contracts are in place before transactions occur. Example, procurement managers qualify suppliers through supplier lifecycle management to ensure compliance before they are allowed to transact. Downstream ensures smooth execution of day-to-day procure-to-pay transactions based on those contracts. Example, the system enforces contract pricing when a supplier submits an invoice, ensuring compliance with agreed terms. Please subscribe to my channel for SAP MM and SAP Ariba learning. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more SAP MM and SAP Ariba interview concepts.